God. Oh! I wonder what kind of freaking poops that thing's taking. This fucking person's just sitting here on their phone.
Matt here. This video is going to be about me driving this truck. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting every single week. This video gets 1,000 likes. I will jump this Ford Ranger off its vehicle.
Figured I'd just do a little filming, give you guys a ride along. We'll see. The reason I'm starting YouTube is because of this parking garage floor right here. Number 7. If you hear that, that's why. I had a motorcycle that was stolen from the 7th floor. It's the only reason I even have this truck. It really was my dream bike. I'll tell you what, after buying this, it is so nice to have a vehicle. I don't really drive it that much. I hate Miami traffic so badly. Getting my bike stolen is what led me to this Ranger. Just want to take you guys for a little ride along. Wanted to let you hear the sounds of this square steel-bodied Ford. I absolutely love Miami traffic. Check this out. Look at how far I get to go. It's crazy. You don't really appreciate things until they're gone. I say I didn't appreciate my bike, but you just don't really know what you have. That's a better way to say it, is you don't know what you have until it's gone. Kind of trying to just, like I said, be grateful for what I have now and find some new passions in life, like posting on YouTube, talking to you. So a little thing about this truck is it really hates going into second gear, and I've determined that it's because someone before me drove this like a race car, because the channels in this are all fucked up. Like, there's so much play, or I don't know if it's the channels, I guess, but there's so much play in this shifter. Like, so when you go to find a channel, if you're tugging on it, it feels like it doesn't want to go in because there's so much play. So I've found that literally if you drive it like
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It shifts so much better than if I were to grab onto this thing. Like, I literally grab it with a couple fingers. All these people are always passing me because they hate how slow I drive this truck, but it's literally meant to be driven slow. I saw a comment. Some dude said he has this, look at this. This fucking person's just sitting here on their phone. But somebody said they had the same exact truck, same mirror, same transmission. It didn't ask them if they had the same motor, but they said they had 270,000 miles on the original clutch. That is insane. I have 141,030. I bought it for $2,200. AC blows cold. It's missing a headliner, but this truck is freaking awesome. I could see this truck lasting quite a while, to be honest with you. How it drives, I mean, it's got its little quirks and its dings and its dents, but this truck, I could drive it another 10 years, I guarantee, and have no problems with it, barring no major catastrophes. And with me keeping up on the small maintenance, this truck will last forever, because this is how I drive it. You can see all these people whipping by me. I drive it like a grandpa would. Look at that big ass dog. I wonder what kind of freaking poops that thing's taking. Wouldn't want to pick that up. But it's funny, like, I love driving this truck around because I think I've gotten just as many compliments on this truck than I did in my motorcycle the entire time I had it. Being in Miami, especially. Like, there are so many new fancy vehicles. When someone sees a vehicle like this, and my truck, it's pretty clean on the outside. It's got a bunch of dings and dents, but it's a 31-year-old truck, and it's immaculate. I mean, it's not a showroom truck or anything like that, but it gets a lot of compliments from people that appreciate, like, this style vehicle, and I feel like it also just kind of fits my personality as someone who's from a small farm town. Like, I'm literally driving a farm truck. I'm surprised nobody honked at me. Oh, it's because no one's behind me as I lay on the horn for that dude, and I'm sitting there at the freaking light. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me on this ride to pick up my cutesy girlfriend from work, who happens to work at the same place that I do. I'm not going to show you where that is yet, but if you have any guesses, if you know where we are, you'll probably be able to figure it out. Oh God. Oh! If you enjoyed the video, please drop a thumbs up, which means like it. Please subscribe, comment. Hope you guys like the video. The next one is dropping soon. Thank you.